Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and getting power and data connected. First, check your Mac model and make sure Mac OS is up to date so drivers and firmware will work. This avoids detection issues. Once done, plug the studio display into power, then connect the Thunderbolt 3/USB-C cable to the display and your Mac. Make sure the Mac is awake. Press a key or click the trackpad, because the display typically turns on immediately when it senses a live connection. Once the Mac recognizes the studio display, configure how it behaves and why those settings matter. Open System Settings and choose Displays to set resolution and scaling so text and UI appear correctly. Higher resolution looks sharper, but can change perceived size. Next, enable True Tone and Night Shift if you want automatic color and temperature adjustments. They reduce eye strain by matching ambient light. Finally, go to Sound and Camera Settings to select the display's built-in mic, speakers, and webcam for calls and media. To finish, fine-tune and ensure reliability. Run the Display Calibration Assistant for color accuracy and set your preferred resolution and arrangement if using multiple monitors. Make sure Mac OS and any Studio Display firmware updates are installed to fix bugs and improve compatibility. If you encounter problems, power cycle both devices, swap cables or ports, and retry. Many issues resolve by restarting or using a different Thunderbolt/USB-C port. If that fails, check for updates and then test on another Mac to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.